Lengozi yenzeke ngehora lesithathu entathakusa kulomgwaqo. Abashonile bebebuya endaweni yokucima ukoma. Kubikwa ukuthi bebe-18 abantu ababegibele emotweni eyiveni okubalwa kubo nomshayeli ngesikhathi kwenzeka lengozi.
We continuously are losing young lives as a result of these accidents, and often you realize that an accident could have been prevented, and we are appealing to all the citizens, to all people on the roads, to work with the department, to work with the traffic officials on the road, and ensure that you simply just abide by the rules.
Abanye abasindile abayi-15 baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela. Abazibonele bathi bakhungathekile.
I was on the way to the work early in the morning, but that accident, it was very serious.
It happened in front of me. So I sharp, but then I'll try by all means keep it sharp.
Umnyango wezokuthutha eNorth West wexwayise abashayeli ngokushayela bephuzile.